How to edit a video in KineMaster. In order to edit a video in KineMaster, just simply tap to this create new button. After tapping in there, first of all name your project. For example, I'm naming it AB, and after that select your aspect ratio, which format video you would like to make. For example, I'm making a video for Instagram, and then tap to create button. Now after doing this, you might have to see some ads in here. Just simply cut the ad. Now just simply select the video which you would like to edit from this video section. I will be editing this video, that's why I selected this one. After selecting the clips or the videos that you would like to edit, simply cut this section. Now after coming to this section, you will get a lot of button from this menu bar. Just simply select whichever option you would like to edit the video, such as filter, pan and zoom, clip graphics, and texting, and all the other options will be available in here. If you want to know every single option and their usability, you can check out the channel to know that. Just simply use the features from this section to edit your video, and you can also add layers, and after that you can record the audio or add the audio into the video from here. And after editing all of these, just simply tap to this button and export or save your video in your gallery. So this is how you edit a video in KineMaster. I hope you understood. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.